Hello guys, today I'm going to show you a quick and easy tutorial of how to use Melio. So guys, we gotta first click start now to create an account. So this will redirect us to the page where you can register. So I'm gonna connect with Google, but you can make an account with your company email and name and other things. But guys, I'm going to use Google so we can do these things more easily. And so now the site should tell us this and tell us who we are. So we are a business picture automation. So the name of our country is Ned Tech. After that, yeah, maybe this. This and not this. So, in which industry? Commerce. Up to 10k. And go to dashboard. So now here guys, we can see the dashboard here. We can schedule a payment. Here is everything that we need. Here is the scheduled payments. Here is the paid payments. Now you can make a new payment. Here's three options. This give us. We can sync it into QuickBooks. We can upload a bill file, or you can add a bill manually. So now guys, I'm just going to show you the basic things of this, and you guys are going to get more in depth with the program. Here we can add vendors. Here's the vendor company name, phone name, email, and phone. You add your vendors and you can. So now here is our getting paid. Now this is the thing that will really help us get paid. This will show us how many have we gotten paid from the time. Yeah, so now company, yes. So you can upload a business logo or you don't. So legal business name, Ned Tech, legal business address, Elizabeth, New Jersey, SN and tax ID 123123 7830, and a zip code 1234. Yeah guys, so you just gotta do this and you'll start getting paid. Here are your customers. After you add them, they'll appear right here. And so you can also customize your profile. There are your profile settings, company settings. You can manage your collaborations and everything guys. So I think this was good for the brief explanation of this guys. I hope I have helped you with starting up and loading your account into Melio. And I hope you liked the video guys. If you did, please like and subscribe. And I hope guys I'll see you around next time. Cheers, have a great day.